Hello friends, it is Vlogmas day 19. Can you believe it? We're almost to the finish line. As you can tell, it's a hot mess in here. That's what filming every single day does to you. So it's about that time to do a little speed clean again. You guys really liked the last one. Ready, set, go. First up, we have my filming desk. This is like the easiest place for things to accumulate. PR products, products I'm testing out, empties. I'm about to show you the box of doom. Yes, that's where I keep all my dirty makeup brushes. I have a video all about how I wash my makeup brushes, which I will link up above. But yes, I collect them over the course of a few months and then I wash them in a big old batch. This desk is a super old Ikea Mickey desk. That's why the paint's all chipped. One day I will eventually swap out and upgrade this Ikea office furniture, but for now it gets the job done. I have other just things in my life that I wish to upgrade around the house before my office. And yes, I do have to wear a disposable glove when using cleaning products, cleaning chemicals, because my skin is so sensitive, especially on areas where I have eczema. And also I find that like Clorox wipes and all-purpose spray, it eats away at my nail polish. Like it will dissolve up nail envy from OPI, and just the top coats never look as shiny or thick or glossy. So wearing a glove is a great cleaning beauty hack. We are on our merry way. The next area to clean is my corner desk. This is where I have my laptop I edit all my videos on, where I write all of my blog posts, edit all my photos, respond to emails. I also keep, you know, some of my everyday beauty products and supplements at arm's reach. And again, it becomes a dumping ground for tech and beverages and bills and all kinds of stuff. You know you're old when you have a physical copy of a thesaurus. Also, these two lightweight tripods kind of float around my office depending on what kind of Instagram stories or content I'm shooting that day. Anyone else just love Swiffering? I love it. I'm also like super allergic to dust, so it's gotta go. I'm just moving a box of props that I have for photos and decor that's just kind of out of season stuff. Also, I don't use an office desk chair. I use an exercise ball that just kind of prevents me from sitting down too long, and it also helps me sit up straight and engage my core throughout the day. Here is the end result for our quick 30-minute clean. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe because I am doing Vlogmas this month, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.